what's up guys, welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika. And as the title of the video suggests, today we are going to learn some cool basic self-defense moves which I believe every woman should know. I know that in Instagram there's this famous quote that we need to educate our sons and not protect our daughters, but I believe that it will take some time for us to reach that level, so it's important that we women know how to protect ourselves if ever that need arises. So I have someone special with me today who's going to teach us these basic moves. It's super easy, so all you have to do is learn these moves and practice it at home with your family, with your friends, with your husband, boyfriend, basically whoever you want. So yeah, keep watching this video. Okay guys, so this is Shrikant Kotian. He is a Muay Thai coach. Hi Shrikant.
Hi Ritika.
So I remember as per the conversation we had earlier, you said that whenever we are stuck, the first thing that comes in our mind is run.
Yeah. First thing what you should be doing is get out of this situation.
Yeah.
If you sense any danger, you get out of the situation.
And then अगर हम फंस गए, like निकल नहीं सकते, only then the self-defense moves which you are about to teach us today comes into the picture, right?
Yeah. So first move I'm going to teach you today is if somebody is grabbing your hand. Okay. First thing you can grab the hand. Okay. So you're taking your hand out, not in. Okay. So you're taking it towards your little finger. Okay. Turn, and then you can choose to grab the hand. Okay. From where you can use the next moves, or you can choose to
let go of the
hand. So grab, take it out.
Okay. Can I try?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
Am I doing it correctly?
Yes.
Okay. And the other thing you said is this?
Yes.
Okay. And after this, what do I do?
You can keep that hand here and push me down. Yeah. Use that left leg. Yeah.
Okay.
So your elbow is hyper extending, your shoulder is hyper
extending.
So there is no way I can come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I try it one more time?
Yeah. Just down. Yeah. From there you can choose to hit.
Okay. And the other one, the quick one. And what if the grip is like really tight?
Tight. Okay. Hold. So what happens is, so you can't choose to pull like this, right? So your always getaway point is the side which has opening. Okay. So you turn it if you are holding like this. Okay. So since your hand is small, I can show it. Okay. So wait. So let me hold. So this is how it's going to be. So no way you can pull it this way or try pulling however you are trying to pull. Okay. So you can't, right? So what you are going to do is you are going to turn this side. Okay, the sharp side, and then you choose to pull towards my thumb out. Yes.
Okay.
No matter how hard I hold. Yeah.
Okay.
Even then, if it's still tight, you can use the other arm, hold it. Now, yeah.
Okay.
No matter how strong. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
So find this opening and then pull. If it's this side, you pull it towards that side. Whichever side though.
And we need to practice it like
Yes.
a lot of times, right?
Yes.
Because or else it won't come if we are ever stuck in the situation.
Yes. It should come naturally. It should be like an instinct.
Okay.
You can't think about it.
Okay.
So the more you practice, the better.
Okay.
So the second thing what you should be knowing is when you're against the wall, okay, there might be a situation where you might not have any space behind to run and your hand is on the leg. Okay, so here what you can do is, first thing you have to grab hold of the little finger. Okay, here. Okay, dig your hand to the finger, and then while you're pulling towards your opposite side of the arm, so move along with it.
Okay.
Again.
Yeah. Go on. I can't do it. What if just doubt?
Yeah.
What if it's super tight grip?
Yeah, it
Then
doesn't
also
matter. See,
can I try?
See, if you can push. So if I'm moving towards
It's gone.
my any of the left or right side,
it's
so
gone.
It's
Anywhere
gone.
is gone.
No, only if you keep moving back, you can't. There is no space to go back. Okay. So if you're moving towards your left or right, then if it's your left hand and I'm moving towards my right, then I have more advantage actually. If I'm moving towards this side, I can't do that move. Okay, so that's why you need to practice. Okay, if you're doing it with the other hand, the other way. So I use my right hand. Okay, take this little finger. Then I turn.
Okay.
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 So if you're not strong enough to do that, this leg, push.
Okay.
Push.
Okay, got it.
Use this.
Can I try?
Yeah. So
I'm gonna hold this.
yeah, little finger.
And then-
Yes. Push.
Oh, I did not move. I have to move, right?
Yeah, you have to
Move that side?
Yeah, step with your right leg.
Left.
Left leg. Yeah.
Ready?
Hold. Yeah, I'm pushing against you. Yes.
Okay.
So push more.
Push more.
Yeah.
More effort.
More effort. Yes.
Okay. Again.
Yeah. Good.
Got it.
Yeah. So number 3 is somebody grabbing you from behind. Okay.
So I'll grab you?
So yeah, you can try grabbing me from behind.
Yeah.
Okay. So from here, you just step out, sit down, grab the leg, and push.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now?
Yeah. Can I try?
So
What
you
if the
just want-
person is having works done also?
Yeah, you can't be, you can't stay on one leg, right?
Yeah.
Nobody is stable on one leg. You can
Yes, I-
easily put somebody down.
Yeah.
He's on one.
So-
Okay, you can try. Okay.
So I'm here.
Yeah.
I go down.
Yes.
Hold it.
Yes.
Okay.
So I can hold you tighter. So even if I'm holding you tight, you
Tight.
step out on leg. Yes.
Okay.
See that?
Did you get hurt?
Finally, we are talking about trigger points. Okay, there are a lot of trigger points actually, but there are few main trigger points what you can easily access. Okay, so like eyes, ear, nose, solar plexus, groin, and you can also choose to hit the windpipes. Okay, so usually women have long nails. Okay, they can easily use that to poke the eyes. Even if you don't have long nails, still poking eyes will hurt a lot. Okay, just to escape, you can poke the eyes. It takes time to recover and they can't see, right? So it gives you a best chance to escape. Okay, here is our idea is to escape, right?
Yeah.
Second thing, you can hit the ear. Okay, even this can
So together we should do it?
yeah, you can just hold it as a cup.
Bang.
Hit. Bam. Okay, there'll be might go into concussion, like it will hurt a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, that's another thing. Third thing, nose, bridge of the nose. You can do a headbutt. Okay, if you're too close, you can do a headbutt to the nose.
Okay.
Okay,
So you do it from here or here?
here.
Here?
Skull won't break.
Okay.
No,
So
skull
from
doesn't.
here-
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Your skull is very strong.
Okay.
Okay, it can take a lot of
Yeah.
hit.
Pressure.
Okay,
Yeah.
pressure.
Yeah.
So you can use, and your nose will break easily. Even with the fist, you can break the nose. And skull is pretty strong.
Yeah.
Okay, that is another third one. Fourth one, we can go to solar plexus. Okay.
And how do you hit it with
Yeah, you can either hit with the. Yeah, elbow is good.
But elbow with the short person, elbow will be
No,
little.
yeah, that's one thing. You can choose to hit with the knuckle.
Okay.
Okay, you can hit with the knuckle here. Okay, to the solar plexus. If you can jump in, if you know any martial arts, obviously you can. It's the best thing you can do is jump in knee or okay. That is if you know the martial art. Then your windpipe. Okay, windpipes. These are the pipes which takes blood to your brain. Okay, if these are like damaged, it takes a lot out of you and people can even faint. Okay, so you can just use this and choose to hit like this. Okay, hit hard. Okay, every move should be hard, And final thing
Is the
is the
groin.
groin.
Knee.
Okay, knee to the groin, hit the groin. Even a flick will hurt. Yes,
Okay.
it hurts a lot. So even a flick can hurt a lot.
Okay.
So imagine kneeing or hitting with the fist or just play volleyball. So you can choose to hit.
Yeah.
Okay, the groin. That is like that will give you a lot of time. Okay.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I think we learned some pretty cool and good moves from Shrikant. But at the same time, even he told me the same thing, that we actually need to work out regularly and be fit to gain that confidence and to be strong before we even think about attempting these moves. Also, we need to like practice it every day, because you can't see this video today and you will say that okay, I know these moves. If 6 months later somebody, you know, attacks me or I get into a situation like that, I will be able to incorporate these moves. It should be like an instinct, as he mentioned earlier. So you need to, you know, practice it, if not every day, then at least a few times a week, so that it gets into the muscle memory, right? And it just comes like fatak se when the situation you know, arises. And yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop in a comment below. Also, Shrikant takes Muay Thai classes. This is his Instagram ID on the screen. You can directly DM him on Instagram. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.